Hello student, today my topic is cell cycle checkpoint. What is cell cycle checkpoint? The point of cell cycle where advancement of cell division stop due to definite factors is not fulfilled. Learning objects. What is cell cycle? What is cell cycle checkpoint? What are the importance of cyclins and cyclin dependent kinase in cell cycle checkpoint? What are the different types of checkpoints? Number 1, G1 checkpoint. It's another name, restriction checkpoint. G2 checkpoint, that is G2M DNA replication checkpoint. Metaphase checkpoint, that is spindle assembly checkpoint. What are the significance or importance of checkpoints? Now let us, what is cell cycle? Cell pass through the series of different stages in cyclic manner. The cyclic path of a cellular events is called cell cycle. Cell cycle operates as a sequential steps. Cell cycle leads to accurate duplication of a genetic materials, that is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Precise separation of replicated genetic materials, passing the genetic material in two daughter cells. Here a diagram of cell cycle. Cell cycle divided into two stages, that is interphase and mitotic phase or division phase. Interphase again divided into three substages, that is G1 or gap 1 or growth 1 or pre-DNA synthesis stage. Second, S stage, DNA synthesis stage. Third is G2 or gap 2 or growth 2 post DNA synthesis stage. Division phase is called mitotic phase. A one cell is divided into two cells. What is cell cycle checkpoint? Cell cycle processes is very critical in each cell. It operates strictly under strong surveillance to prevent mistakes. The strong surveillance system in the cell to monitor the cell cycle progression itself is called cell cycle checkpoint. Checkpoint surveillance mechanisms that halt the progresses of a cell cycle if any of the chromosomal DNA is damaged. DNA replications and chromosomes alignment is correct and complete. Thus, checkpoints ensure various events in the cell cycle progression to occur accurately in correct order. Here, diagram of cell cycle checkpoints. This is the G1 checkpoint. This is the G2 checkpoint. This is the M checkpoint, metaphase checkpoint. Progression of cell cycle is highly regulated in certain points. These critical regulatory points of cell cycles are called cell cycle checkpoints. Cell cycle checkpoints ensure that genome is intact, that is without any mutations. Conditions are appropriate for a cell to divide it, that is enough nutrients is there for the daughter cells. Genetic materials is replicated only once in a cell cycle. Genetic material is completely replicated. No mutations occur in the replicated chromosomes. Chromosomes are correctly oriented in the metaphase plates. All chromosomes are correctly attached to the spindle fibers. What are the cyclins and cyclin dependent kinase? Cyclin and cyclin dependent kinase protein regulate checkpoints in chemically. Presenting regulating protein are changeable with periods of cell cycle called cyclin. Kinase enzyme is present in all periods of cell cycle, but it is active when conjugated with cyclin protein, that is called CDK, cyclin dependent kinase. Cyclins and cyclin dependent kinase CDKs orchestrate cell cycle checkpoints. Cyclins are so named because their amount varies throughout the cell cycle. For its activation, CDK must bind to specific cyclin. Number and types of cyclins and CDKs varies from species to species. Level of different cyclins and cyclin dependent kinase varies in different phases of a cell cycle. Cyclin and cyclin dependent kinase and their role in a cell cycle was discovered by Leland H. Hartwell, R. Timothy Hunt, and Paul M. Nurse, who get Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine 2001. Cyclins are various types: A, B, D, E. Three types of cyclin dependent kinase: G1S cyclin, cyclin dependence complex; S cyclin, cyclin dependent complex; G2M cyclin, cyclin dependent complex. That is MPF, maturation promoting factor. Here, cyclin and cyclin dependent kinase in checkpoints diagrams are shown. G1 checkpoint, G1 cyclin and cyclin dependent kinase conjugated, G1 cyclin for degradations, M cyclin, cyclin dependent kinase, G2 checkpoint, M checkpoint, metaphase checkpoint, mitotic cyclin for degradations. M. Nurse, Hartwell, T. Hunt, who get Nobel Prize for their discoveries of key regulators of the cell cycle. Checkpoints act as sensors to determine if a cell is the proper condition to divide. There are three checkpoints in a cell cycles: G1 checkpoint, restriction checkpoint, G2 checkpoint, G2M DNA damage checkpoint, metaphase checkpoint, spindle assembly checkpoint. Now discuss about G1 checkpoint, also called restriction point, operates at the end of G1 phase. G1 checkpoint checks whether conditions are favorable for the cell to divide, checks DNA for any damage before it's going to replication, that is S phase, synthetic phase. If DNA damage is detected, checkpoint proteins will prevent the formation of active cyclin or CDK complexes. Inhibition of cyclin or CDK complex stops progression of cell cycle. Direct the DNA repair mechanism to rectify the DNA damage. G1 checkpoint, DNA is okay, enough resource for the cell replication, build enough proteins each environment it's okay. G1 checkpoint. G2 checkpoint, also called G2M DNA damage checkpoint, operate at the end of C2 phase. G2 checkpoints checks for DNA for any damage that might be occurred during the DNA replications. Whether DNA is replicated completely, monitors the levels of proteins and growth factors. If any of the above factors are not satisfactory, the G2 checkpoints hold the cells at G2 phase and initiate machineries to rectify the problems. G2 checkpoint, DNA correctly replicated. DNA replication is complete. Build enough proteins. G2 checkpoint. Metaphase checkpoints, that is spindle assembly checkpoint, operates at the end of check M phase. Metaphase checkpoint, the integrity of the spindle apparatus in the cell, correct orientations of chromosomes in the metaphase plate, whether all chromosomes are properly bound to spindle fiber. If chromosomes are not correctly attached to the spindle apparatus, the metaphase checkpoints will stop the cell cycle. M checkpoints thus prevents the incorrectly sorting chromosomes. M checkpoint, spindle properly fibers formed, chromosomes correctly oriented, all chromosomes attached to spindle fibers. M checkpoint. What are the importance of cell cycle checkpoints? Checkpoints proteins delay the cell cycle progression until problems are fixed. Checkpoint can prevent cell division when problems cannot be fixed. Induce apoptosis if problems are so severe and cannot be repaired. Checkpoints accurately maintain the genome of the organism. Checkpoint ensure only one round replication of DNA per cell cycle. If functions of checkpoints genes are lost due to mutations, leads to additional mutations and cancerous growth initiate in the organ. Almost all cancers are due to the improper functioning of either one or many proteins involved in the cell's regulations. Thank you. That's all for today.